You've been told a million times. Post consistently. Show up every day. Stay active on social media. And you want to. You really do. But every time you sit down to create content, your mind goes blank. You stare at that empty screen, wondering what to post. What would your audience even care about? What hasn't been said 100 times already? So, you end up recycling the same topics over and over. Or worse, you don't post at all because nothing feels good enough, and that cycle continues. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Hey there, I'm Christine, and one of the biggest breakthroughs in my social media marketing career was realizing that running out of ideas isn't actually the problem. The problem is not knowing where to look for them. Content ideas are literally everywhere. In your DMs, in online communities, in your own experiences, in trending content and podcasts, and even Google searches. The opportunities are endless. You just need a system for capturing them. Whether you're a content creator building your personal brand, a social media manager working with clients, a business owner promoting your products or services, or anyone creating content on social media, this class is for you. In this class, I'm going to show you exactly where I find my content ideas and how you can build a never-ending content bank that keeps you posting consistently without the stress or creative burnout. Here's what we'll cover together. How to mine your audience's questions for content gold. Where to find online communities overflowing with content ideas. How to use AI tools, TikTok Creative Center, and Google Trends to brainstorm strategically. How to tap into your own expertise and turn everyday experiences into engaging content. How to repurpose what's already working and multiply your content output. By the end of this class, you'll have a running list of content ideas and a clear strategy for finding more whenever you need them. No more staring at blank screens, no more I don't know what to post panic, just a steady flow of ideas you can pull from anytime. Sound good? Let's dive in.